guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is just a small haul of like some organizers and a few art supplies that I've gotten. It's been a pretty hectic weekend trying to get all this, and yeah, so next week will be just a regular video. So the first few things that I got are two new Tombow dual brush pens, and so the two new colors I got is 565, which is a very nice deep blue, almost like an ultramarine, and 847, which is a very nice red. And the purpose of getting organizers was to store these Tombows and a few other supplies properly, because I found out that these store best when they're laying flat and horizontal. So I mixed them with existing Tombows, and here's the swatch card. So the second thing I got is this glue stick. So at the moment I'm using the traditional glue stick in the sense that's hard, and mine is nearly up, and I wanted to use like sort of a liquid glue stick I remember having from like childhood with like sponge applicator. If you're Southeast Asian, you probably know what I mean. But yeah, that's what I got. The glue formula is a bit odd. I'd say it's more like a wood glue. It is a multi-purpose glue as said, but yeah. And then the third thing is some new washi tape. So this is like a slim rainbow set from MT masking tape brand. I just really liked it because it was sort of like ombreing, and I'm mixing this with a bunch of like other washi tape stuff that I already had, so yeah. So the organizer that I got for these stationery stuff is like the gold, it's this clear drawer set from IKEA. It's super simple. At first I thought I was gonna break the the unit by pulling the drawers out completely, but no, it just requires a bit of force and it should come out nicely. And they also come with sticky pads, and to be honest, they work really well. So yeah. So this is the bottom drawer of the like unit I got from IKEA. This section on the left is for my washi tape, and I'm just putting the designs facing out to the sides instead of facing upwards because they won't fit if the design's facing upwards. So yeah. And by the way, throughout this video you might see like different items move around and stuff, and that's because like it's really hard to film this like organization sort of thing, so yeah. So the right side of this drawer unit is going to be for stuff that I don't use anymore. So there's going to be like old highlighters and old markers and just general things that don't need to be out all the time. And now for the top drawer of this unit. For this drawer, I'm just gonna put my Tombows. They fit nice and flat like that. And also, I'm just gonna put some old highlighters. These highlighters I use somewhat often, but not that often. So them being at the back doesn't really bother me. And just trying to figure out how to place them nicely is another way. So yeah. And then here's just me putting the drawers into the unit. I really like how the whole entire unit is clear, so you can really see what's inside, even though that the plastic is a smoke grey. It's still quite nice to just see what's there. And now onto the makeup organizer. So this organizer is from Kmart, and I'll let you guys know where everything else is from like at the end of the video, and I'll also link their links down below. But basically it's another acrylic or like plastic piece, and when it first came out it like didn't smell that bad, but then when I removed the plastic there was like this smell, and there was also like markings on the plastic, and so I just took a wet wipe and tried to like clean it off and stuff, but it just like some of the markings just wouldn't come off as if they were in the middle of the plastic. So yeah, but basically with this piece I wiped it down like top to bottom, even the drawers on the inside. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. With the IKEA piece I did not have this problem of like any smell or anything, so I wasn't too concerned about it, but yeah. So if you do get this piece from Kmart, please do like probably wipe it down. And before we get to the next part, I just want to let you guys know that I'm using a new angle. So yay, the black background is actually my giant A3 folio stood up against like this stand sort of thing I have on my desk anyways. So yeah, at the back I put my sunblock and some lotion that I don't really use. Then in that middle section I put masks and just like my eyeshadow palettes and all that. And then for the front section, that's where I put my foundation, hand cream, lip balm, also my makeup brushes, and just general small stuff. With this organizer, I wasn't too concerned about organizing by type of product because I do not have that much. This is literally like literally all my makeup fits in this organizer, so yeah. And for this top section, I just put like lotion, smaller tubes of lotion, blackhead like mask thing, deodorant, hand sanitizer. Those two lip products did move up here from the smaller sections down below. So yep, and then also just smaller stuff in general. So like there's a tester like lip product, and all that. And yeah, that's what goes up here. And now onto the drawers. So with the drawers, I wanted to fit as many cotton pads as I could, but this was the most efficient way, just 3 stacks of 10, without squishing them and deforming them, but also making sure that I'm able to open the drawers. And just with the empty space, I just put more like small testers and stuff. I don't know how I got so many of these, but yeah, they're just there. And same for the second drawer, just 3 stacks of 10 cotton pads and just like just more testers. And we are close to the end of the video, and I apologize to you guys because this video was quite rushed. A lot of the time, like a lot of the day was spent trying to get all this stuff, and today when I'm editing I did not have a lot of time, so yeah, I apologize for that. Next week we should get a regular like art video, so yeah. And as usual, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, hit subscribe if you want to, click on the top right for my last video, and click on the bottom right for what YouTube recommends to you. And so yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.